There is no reliable evidence that any herbal medicine can help with diabetes. 37 people took bilberry for 2 months and their hemoglobin A1C decreased from 7.6 to 6.9, while 37 people taking a placebo increased from 7.3 to 7.4 in the same time. It's a fucking bilberry. Do you really need large-scale studies for a fucking bilberry? If you told me that you started feeling better after you added bilberries to your diet, I'd give it a try. You don't need large-scale studies for blueberries or strawberries or raspberries. But if it notably improves body function, these fucking real doctors discourage and scare you away to protect their profits. If there is a judgment day, I'd be a little worried if I spent my career slandering God's medicine. Fenugreek is not effective and may cause side effects. 29 clinical trials concluded that fenugreek is safe and effective, lowering glucose, triglycerides, and waist circumference with no side effects. On average, you get a smaller waist. Are you seriously going to wait for the approval of the people who profit on your sickness? Are you tired of being lied to yet? Are you sick of feeling crappy yet? Because I would bet that you can't feel good on a synthetic version of goat's roux. Never has worked to try to reproduce nature in a chemistry lab, and it never will. There are no clear benefits of cinnamon for diabetes. 35 clinical trials have concluded that cinnamon has a significant lowering effect on glucose, cholesterol, triglycerides, LDLs, and waist circumference. Oh, I get it. The government tells us what the cholesterol drug manufacturers tell them. Right. You wouldn't want people to stop spending. It would be bad for the economy. Assuming that a good economy is a small percentage of assholes getting very rich, while the rest of us battle to pay for our health insurance so we can have discounted statins. Using ginseng with conventional diabetes medicine can result in side effects. 12 weeks of ginseng improved glucose and insulin regulation safely in diabetics taking conventional diabetes medications. Significantly enhanced effect compared to metformin alone. When you realize that big money will lie to make more profit, you have achieved your first step towards healing. I'm sorry. I find zero value from going to a drug dealer to look for medical problems that result in a prescription drug. A drug from a cartel responsible for more deaths than any other drug cartel. But when said cartel partners with the government, they are celebrated as heroes. And if you don't partner, they wage war against you to stop the distribution of less deadly drugs. That's not a conspiracy theory. That's the news. Diabetes is caused by your own stupid choices, like eating junk food and not moving your body, or it's your parents' fault. The National Library of Medicine, which is where real doctors are supposed to get their information, says that there are chemicals that disrupt the pancreas and blood sugar regulation, and their production and use seems to match up quite well to the 8x increase in diabetes since 1960, more directly than sugar. What's your real doctor going to do about that? They only have medicines that increase toxicity and none that detoxify. If I might make a suggestion, start with the plants that protect your body from their medicine.